Okay, so we are going to draw a giraffe today. Okay? Are you happy to draw a giraffe?
Yes.
What's the first letter of a giraffe?
G!
G, good. Alright, so we are going to draw a giraffe. G is for giraffe.
G!
G, yeah. Okay, alright, so let's start by drawing the head. Alright? Let's make an oval shape.
Why are you not making a straight one?
Well, let's start with the head. Draw an oval shape like this. Good. Then let's draw two straight lines here and here like this. That's the neck.
And here.
Good. Then bring this down. Make it come down to this level. So let's still take it down a little more. A little more down, yeah.
A little more.
All right. So from here, draw down and make an N like this.
Down and make an N like this.
Yes. So, and from here, make another line again to come down here.
Kind of like to come down here.
Good. And make another N, but this time let it go wide and come down again like this.
Let it go wide and come down like this.
Good. So what we are going to do now is we bring the neck down and make the body and go to this point and come down.
Go to this point. Is that enough?
Yeah, it's okay.
And
Then go like this.
And come down.
And come down to that leg. Oh, the leg is so wide. But it's okay. What you can do is you can bring this from here. Draw it to come down near this leg. Do it that way. Good. Alright, so you can clean off this part. Clean off this part.
The which one? This part?
Yeah, this area. Clean off this place. Okay, so let's draw the other leg again. Let's draw the second leg. From here, you come down here like this.
Yeah.
Then draw another leg again by the side.
The side?
Yes, that's okay. That's fine. Okay, so let's give the giraffe a horn. Giraffe has a
but
little
it
horn.
does have a horn.
Yeah, it has like is it antenna rather? It has an antenna like this.
That's funny.
Yeah. Yeah, make it like a circle. And do the same, another one. Then let's give it ear. It has an ear like this.
Ear. It has an ear like this.
And another ear this way.
Ear this way.
Okay, about the inside. Okay, then let's give it a big eye. One eye and the other big eyes, like these two eyes.
The big eyes.
Okay, let's draw some like a mouth like this, a V like that. Then put the nose here.
He is happy.
It's happy. Okay, the leg of a giraffe is so small. So can you bring these two legs down a bit? All right. So let's form some like a shoe. Okay. Just form the legs, the shoe like this. Okay, yes, good. You can bring this one down more and then do the same. Then put the shoe as well. Good. Then do the same, yeah?
Put some
Yeah, put the
down.
shoes. Put the shoes there. And the same for this one. Bring that one down. And then put the shoes as well. Alright.
Am I done?
We're not done yet. Let's put the tail.
What kind of tail?
Yeah, we're gonna put a tail.
With one tail.
Just make the tail to come down a bit here. Okay, bring the tail down like
And the
that.
other one?
Yes, another one. Okay, then at this point, make it to be like this.
Make it to be like this.
Join it together. Good. That's fine.
Am I done?
Yes, but now we are going to trace it with our black pen. Okay, we are done.
I want to trace it here first.
Yes, you can trace anyone you want first. We have to go gently. Don't go too far. Let's start with the ear. Trace the ear and stop here. Stop there. Then continue with the mouth, the head, and go like this and stop at the V. See that is stop at that place where the V is starting. Stop there. Okay, and then go inside like this.
Go inside like this.
And come back here.
And come back here.
Good. And continue this way to the neck.
Oopsie.
It's okay, sorry. And go down this way. Go down. Go down straight until you reach the shoe. Go down until you reach the shoe. Follow the line of your pencil. Don't shade it, just draw it straight on the pencil. Good. Wow, that's nice. Continue going. Even if you miss it a bit, it's not bad. Yeah, keep going and trace around the shoe like this. Good. And continue on this same line. Yes, keep going up. Keep going. Good. And you continue down on the shoe as well. Go around the shoes. And go up. Okay. Keep going.
Can I do what I used to?
Yes, look at what I'm doing so that I don't make mistake. Okay. Good. Then continue down and get the other leg. Okay. Keep tracing it. Continue up. Go from here, go and join this place. Join the tail. Good. Then what is left is from here, you trace here and come up to the ear. Okay.
I'm not up to the ear yet.
Yes, continue going.
Up.
Keep going.
I go up in the sky. I go up high in the sky.
Good. It's okay. Stop there.
Go in the sky.
Then now you have to go like this.
Did not do this.
It's okay. No, leave that one. We are not going to close the mouth. Go like that. Follow the traces. Go around. No, don't go. Okay, it's okay. Then come up. When you reach here, you go around the ear and come like this. Go around the horn. Good. All right. Then do the other ones. Stop there, yes. Continue like this. Are you done?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So that is one lagging behind. Fantastic. Let's do the eyes.
Eyes.
Yes, let's
But we
circle
already
the eye.
did eyes.
No, you've not used the marker to highlight it. Okay, and then the nose. The nose. Okay, that's fine. Wow, this is a giraffe. A giraffe is looking wonderful.
And perfect.
Yes, it's perfect. Yeah. Next is to
Color.
Good. So,
color?
which color are we going to use now?
Yellow.
Yellow color. So let's go ahead and give it color yellow. Alright, so are you ready? Give it a yellow color.
And the ear?
Yeah, you can start with the ear.
And then with this ear. No, this ear.
Let's color it yellow. Do you like the color?
Yeah. Do you see my happy Gary? Da, da, da.
We are going to give it, let's use orange.
Orange is for what?
You know, giraffe has some polka dots on the body. So we're going to create some polka dots like this and give it an orange color. Okay, another one.
I told you we forget this.
No, we didn't forget. Keep going. Make another one. When you finish that first one, do another one by the side. Don't join it together, but it's okay. Color it again. Yes, do it in the front like this. Another one.
I like the giraffe.
Yes.
I like your giraffe too.
You like my giraffe?
Yeah.
That's good. Your giraffe is also fine. Okay, do another one here. And color it again.
Daddy, can I have a pet dog?
Pet dog?
Yeah.
Or you want pet giraffe?
I want a pet fish.
A pet fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you buy me a pet fish?
That's okay.
No, not a fake one, a real one.
A real one, okay. That's fine. Alright, so make another one.
Down here?
Yes, you can make anywhere you want. Anywhere. Just make another one again. Anywhere on the body. Don't let it go outside. Only do inside. Inside. Don't let it touch anyone. Good. Then color it.
This one here too?
Yes, make another one anywhere. And color.
Oh, and the space here.
Yes, you can make the...
Oh, and what's the space here?
Yes, make a small one. Don't let them touch. Just make it. Keep
Are
going.
you making small?
Yes, make smaller ones on the leg. On the leg, you can make smaller ones.
This is a color, tiny one.
So make smaller ones on the leg. Smaller polka dots on the leg.
And I'll make this one.
On the tail.
And this one too?
Yes, all over. Can also make on the face.
Some on the face too.
Yeah.
Polka dots. Polka dots.
Yes. Let's
And
make
some of the tails.
inside the ear like that.
Polka dots.
Make inside the ear like this.
Polka dots. Polka dots.
Wow.
And some polka dots here.
Yeah.
Polka
Polka dots, yes. Alright, this is nice. This is a giraffe.
Yeah,
All right.
I found the giraffe. Yeah, I found the giraffe.
Yeah, the giraffe is fine. But we left the mouth open. Do you want to give the mouth, give it some food to be eaten?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Maybe
let's...
a grass.
Yes. So grass is, what color is grass?
Green.
Green, good. So let's give it green grass
Daddy,
to
I
eat.
was ready making green grass.
Just no, wait. Let me show you. We have to draw it like this. Have to go like this. Go out. Do a line like this. Okay, and make it come out like this. There's eating grass. Don't shade it. Don't shade it. Put it in his mouth. Let it be coming from his mouth.
He eaten it.
Yes.
Wow. He's eating everything.
Then draw the grass on the floor. Let's draw the grass here. Let's draw some grasses for it to be eaten. You make a V and you put a line in between. A V. And like, yeah, good. That's the grasses for the giraffe. So the giraffe is eating some grasses.
He's eating more grass. And there's a lot of grass. So
Yeah.
Make more grasses.
You can make more grasses for the giraffe. That's nice. Have fun. And make more grasses for giraffe to eat.
He's eating more.
Yes, the giraffe is not going to be hungry. All right. So this is looking nice.
I want to make one more.
So we are going to write the letter G. So write letter G. Yeah. Good. All right. That's letter
You
G.
did not write your D yet.
Yes. Let me write my G. So that's letter G. So G is for giraffe. Okay. So we've come to the end of this video.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yes, please subscribe to our channel.
If you do not subscribe to the channel, subscribe right now.
Good. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe right now. And see you in our next video. Bye.